See, I have started some initiatives for the betterment and transparency of general public. You can see that I have already opened this by door, which was CEO was sitting under closed doors. So whenever quasi judicial proceedings are there, it should be in the open court. And whoever wants to visit me, they can directly see me and come here, taking all precautions. There is no harm. I am an approachable person and I am paid by the government to serve my public. If I am not accessible to the public, what is my use? Secondly, I have seen that there are many cases, the retired employees, pensioners, whoever has retired, they have not been paid for several months. It is a duty of the officer. He is responsible to see that all the pensionary papers are kept ready 3 months in advance, and on the day of the retirement, they get all the benefits. I just issued some instruction to my staff saying that this is the rule, and they have to prepare all the within 3 months, and on the day of the retirement, all the benefits will be given to them as a send off and a goodwill. Otherwise, what is the point of working for 30 years, 20 years and retiring and not getting the pension for months together? This is the issue. I will look out personally and see that those employees who are retiring by end of this month or next month, and so on, they get their pension in time. And whoever pension is not paid, I have given some instruction. There are some instructions that some daily employees are there, they are not being regularized. There are issues of the public. Actually, there was a strike given today. I had spoken to the union leaders and told them to give me 10 days time to sort out all the issues. There are minor petty issues which are genuine issues, demands of the we can meet. It is their money. I have to give them the money. Whatever genuine they have to give given. Our laborers staff are working in the garbage section without many implements. Also, they are not getting the masks and so and time. So everything should be in place. What is the point? They are the vulnerable, most vulnerable. They are doing a good job. I should take care of my staff. Whoever are working under though we are in the office, they are outside. They are prone to many type of disease, and now we are in COVID this thing. So I am concerned about my staff. I should look after the concerned staff. I have already taken the meeting with my staff. Many of staff, I have told them, given them some tips how to do their duties promptly and efficiently. We are following the right time-bound delivery system. If the people are not getting anything within the time, what is the point? Those persons, through your media, I am telling you, those persons who have any genuine ground, they can WhatsApp me or even can see me. If they have any, I know that many things are kept pending for several months. Drive I carry out. From Monday, we are carrying those roadside vendors who are roadside fish people who are selling fish by the roadside. Drive will be conducted from Monday onwards. But other drive, plastic drive and so will conduct. Our 3 vehicles are taken by the collector. I will request the collector to return back the vehicles, at least 2 vehicles, so that I can conduct the regular drives of plastic, encroachment and other things. I know that they have been stopped, but we have to look after. Public encroachment is totally not permissible, and I will see to it that everything comes place. And I will require at least a week or 2 to put all the things in order. There are some minor issues with our staff, so I should put them in order. That everything will be sorted out, and you will see a better Margao.